Okay, so what we've got here is basically just a couple of expressions simplifying into another problem, okay? And so we could try to simplify this, we could do that, but what we're going to do is we're going to do this graphically. And again, like in probably a previous problem that I've spoke about, we're going to convert all the b's to x's. Again, it doesn't really matter as long as we have x here. So whatever letter they give us here for the variable, we're going to replace with x. So we are going to graph it. So let's go to Document, File, New Document. We don't want to save that, and we do want to go to Graph. What's going to happen is this graph, when we graph it, has to be equivalent to one of these graphs, okay? And so we just got to make sure we do it correctly. So let's go ahead and put parentheses around the top part here. So that is 8, instead of b, we're using x again, squared, so that we can graph it, plus 16x, close parentheses. What we did was basically we said, hey, this whole top quantity here, or this expression is on top. Now we hit divided by parentheses. If we only, well, in this case it's really one term, but what if it had been 4 plus b? Then we still should go ahead and put parentheses around it. So I'm going to put 4 instead of b, we put x, close parentheses, and we hit enter, and there's our graph. So notice our graph's a linear graph from what we can visually see here. Now, a couple of things to point out, that's a quadratic. They're not going to be linear. Now again, this could be zoomed in so close that it doesn't look it, but right now we're going to rule out these two. We're going to still start with 18b and stuff, but I'll be honest, I can start looking at, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, y-intercepts 4, and I can probably say it's this one real quick, but we'll go ahead and put 18b in. So let's go ahead, menu, again, we go to graph, function, and for this one we're just going to type 18x, and again the key thing is we change all the b's to x's. If this one doesn't lay on top of it, guess what? We know it doesn't work. We hit enter. Doesn't work. Therefore, it's not the answer. We'll do 6b real quickly. So we go back to menu, graph, function, and we just are, well, we don't do a third one. We just really want to get rid of this one. So let's just put 6x in, and we graph. Notice that it is not the exact same, and we're going to go ahead and get rid of it. So again, we go to menu, graph, function, arrow up, let's get rid of the 6x. You know, I could go and do these two. It's a linear equation, so I'm just going to do 2x plus 4. Just see how it works. Enter. And notice the red line is over top of the other. Now you could check the other two, but this is the answer to that one once the two graphs match. You could zoom out to see if they look the exact same. Again, if you just want to go with that, and you just want to go to zoom, you could do a zoom out, or you could do a zoom fit. That basically just sets the two equations on top of each other. When you only see the one line, that means that they're exactly the same. Therefore, my answer is E. Very simple. Anytime that they give you, this could have been and M. All you need to do is change the variable to x so that you can graph it. And we're comparing the graphs. This graph has to be the exact same thing as this graph. It's the same thing if we just solve the equation. This expression is equivalent to this expression. So the graph must also be equivalent to the same graph.